iyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyigo kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo kire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya boyigo kire chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo kire kurwase kire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati boyigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eribwenyorere abamanyi aboyigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use kire chibyasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya uru superstores yego tokase enyumba ya uru complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngo tukabari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Wanche murigereria boire nande nigo cyaragirie Chinsa Ikomi chiri tukerigaria Alhamis tariki 23 mutenye Ikomi Ekeonga asenchira yobwenye nchengatere Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso muno wabo imanyeririo Kevin Ongeri kuri studio akabarenera kwaneka bana chibiche china Mario ingo ikirachira asenchira ire yobo ikiranu togo chaka matukane maiga yokweni wakwaye mu Prime Minister mukoro omoske Raila Odinga Ritkoria rero korengana negikoro kiegesa kukiaye yose kyomogere nigo mumuro ya sireta Raila Junior ai watching kuru chokora familia ya Raila asarache kobwaterana na ngina moske umosubati Ida Betty Odinga kura familia ya Raila kurende nigo barache koba insebora ibuaye moske Oburu Odinga oyo ore umuraibu familia nene ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Okwana kerara moyego yu Oburu nigo Oburu Odinga yore mumuru mwabo Raila nigo airira obuya bumuru bumoyego yiga nagoteba Junior nigo aiwa chinguru chokora familia na tari echia siasa asateba bomo ritko ria rero abanyaruka naboigo abamuraba Raila nigo bayigororwa bene osebasubora bene koira na gochya chinga cyabo na kwira na gochya semeremo yabo yabutambe
this is a traditional ceremony to symbolically give the son of the departed, my brother, the late Raila Amolo Odinga, his son, Junior Raila, the seat of power of the home. The seat of the power of the home. He is now the leader of this home, together with the mom. The mom will be there to give him all the advices he needs, but he must stand firm. He must stand firm and lead the home in as per our culture. This is not political leadership, but this is the leadership of the home. The larger Odinga family, which I chair and which I lead, he is still under me. Just like his father was also still under me when it came to the cultural leadership of the home. And he is going to do, we are going to do the normal rituals, which we normally do as per our traditions. And we are going to start, because today is the 4th day. My brother was buried on Sunday last week, and if we count from Sunday to last night, it is exactly 4 nights. And that is in our culture, the 4th night. After the 4th night, that is the day now normally the funeral ends officially. That is when now the Wagogini, those who are married elsewhere, the girls, they go back to their houses and they go back to their husband. That is when the boys, who should have been spending the whole night, up to last night, they were not supposed to go back to their houses. It is today that they are now officially allowed to go back to their houses and even touch their wives if they have. So,
asensemo ya kabire junior nigo aiwa bene ebimanyiririo gose ebifa byokora byoborai na koro kiabuna oire chinguru chokora efamilia ya Nyagusira Raila numuyega oikeranwa na barai abanene gati abo mugavana bwe county ya Nairobi Moske Johnson Sakaja, Moske James Orengo, Moske Muswati Gladys Wanga yoro mugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay ni gati ya barai bande abangi.
Baada ya unyoaji ndiposa atapewa kiti na vyombo vingine ya kuonyesha kwamba yeye amekuwa kijana ambaye atahakikisha kwamba yale ambayo yanaendelea katika boma la baba ameshughulikia. Kuna vyombo vya kitamaduni ambazo atavalizwa na kupewa mkuki na ngao. Sasa anapewa ngao ambaye imetengenezwa kitamaduni. Nashika katika mkono wake wa
Togo skabosio mojumbe bwa lego usonga moske Samuel Atandi ojubo igoro munyakirego bwe kamati budget ase bunge nene nigo atebire Kenya nense enene okwana kurwa thome gotoka ekaunti Laikipia chinga kigo se ase birero byoko mwene omugaka Weston Kirocho Kanja oyore isemu inspector general bwa banyanyimbo moske Douglas Kanja Atandi nigo alira yokogendera kumubwatisya muraibu ense Dr. William Samoei Ruto Elikorinda ensi ya Kenya na kugenderia obwamato obwarenge gati yo muraibu kiama kiria gia ODM moskenya gusira Raila na boigo omoske Ruto asabolia amaskon kurwa asabarai ande na boigo abana siasa.
Kenya is one country. And as you're aware, we are also on the, I think, day 4 of mourning our late brother, our late Baba, the late Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. I would like to say, Your Excellency, that Baba taught us some fundamental, two fundamental things that he taught me. He told me that in this country, we are all brothers and sisters, that we should never attempt to isolate and discriminate anybody. And Your Excellency, because you are here and because I've seen what you have done for this country in the last few years during your presidency, I know that you have those characters of fairness and unity. And I want to urge you, Your Excellency, that the mission you started of true national inclusivity, I would like to urge you to continue that mission. You are now our father. You are the father of everybody. Your Excellency, remember I tweeted recently that for the last couple of years, many years as a politician, I have been loyal to the late Raila Amolo Odinga. I announced that henceforth I will be loyal to you politically. I want to urge my fellow leaders and Kenyans that let us unite behind President William Ruto, because it's the symbol of national unity. And this country, the first thing that we must do as Kenyans is to preserve the country. And preserving the country will mean that we have to see each and every person as brothers and sisters. Because if we don't do that, then we'll never have a country. Let us first have a country before we can have leaders. And if we have leaders who are willing to help us have and preserve this country, I think that is where we need to put all our effort. Your Excellency, please be courageous. I know Baba was very close to you and he was working closely with you to help transform this country. I know that you have the capability to transform this country together.
Muraibu ense oyorenge ase birorebyo nigo aldinerere yokogendereria nemirimo yogosira na kwagacha chikanisa. Chinga kechio Ruto nigo ateba ose nigo ainaneira yokwana na chishiringi chimilioni 5 gochia na buninchira ya moyogosira magacho yekanisa asomoga ka oyo Weston Kanja ari kogenda.
Mahali ya kujenga kanisa, mimi nimelaumiwa sana kwa ujenzi wa makanisa katika Kenya hii, na I am as guilty as charged. Mambo ya kujenga kanisa mimi pia nilifundishwa na baba yangu. So kama kuna mtu atalaumiwa, mtafute. Bahati mbaya mzee alishaondoka. Sasa sijui mtaenda kumuuliza nani. So hiyo kanisa ambayo mmesema tujenge hapa, next Sunday, Jumapili inayokuja, nitatumana shilingi milioni 5 mwanze kujenga hiyo kanisa. Na mshirikiane na wale wengine, alafu isipotosha mtatueleza baadaye, alafu tuone vile tutajenga hiyo kanisa. Kanisa ni ya muhimu kwa sababu ni mahali ambapo tunaweza kujua neno la Mungu. Na neno la Mungu liko na ukweli wa kutosha. Ukisoma kitabu ya Daniel 11 mstari wa 32 nasema, lakini wale wanaomjua Mungu wao watakuwa jasiri na watafanya mambo makuu. Ni vizuri watu wamjue Mungu. Therefore, priority yetu ya kwanza ni kuhakikisha kwamba we build a church so that more and more people.
Masayo mo bw'emyaka 22 uyu boigore omworoki wa Asi University ya Masinde Muliro egotoka ekaunti ya Kakamega nigo asiri obugima bwaye kare asomorobero yu ogendete bukolika ba obse ba KDF gose amakurutu ensemo ya Shwera imeyesa county ya Kapshai. Mokomanda w'abanyanyimbo korwa Bungoma Central David Saina nigo ainekire buna musao yu nigo agiregete kero murobero yu ogendete gose kero arenge kominyoka chinga kigetiwe asanyagitari nigo yainegetiwe buna osirio bugima bwaye. Abasaye bono nigo baburiwe gwesokya sobonge asomorobero yu korende nigo asensemo yende baburiwe gwetanga nobotumekiyo bube bwa maliogo yogutinda.
Nataka kuthibitisha ya kwamba mnamo asubuhi ya leo tulikuwa kuna recruitment ya KDF katika Pusakala Primary in Bungoma Central Sub-County. Kuna kijana moja by the name Eugene Wamalwa alipata alisirai wakati anafanyiwa wakati wanakimbia and then akakimbizwa hospitali sub-county Chwele sub-county hospital. Na alipofika huko akaangaliwa na daktari, wakati bado naangaliwa akakuwa confirm.
You must be physically fit according to standards ile KDF inahitaji. So vijana ningewahimiza wajichunge, wasiingie kwa miadarati because kuna wale ambayo wanatolewa kwa usajili kwa sababu ya kutumia miadarati vibaya.
Wekiraga buno togochigwikire omwere bw'Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwengi ayo muna yanda mange ibere na boigo inyecho botukubwa rero asenchira yobwikiranu nere Haruni ototo nchengero wakatire Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso muna w'ibimanyiro kevinongire kuri studio ya kabere nera kwana kiya chibicha na marengo karachire asenchira yobwikiranu tomera nditsukure anki.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasaje kurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebelie kende kensi uraganie bagotebelie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga nigo bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yega ase nyumba yao tutarire rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareka bo kwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asobwango edukeyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Supermarket ya